Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful. You are safe wherever you are in the world. This is the video for those whoever is required. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because these are the messages for whosoever required. Okay, so in this video I am going to do the messages, whichever messages I am getting for you, and I hope I help you out in some manner. So let's see what are the messages. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you for giving lots of love. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for whosoever is required. Please give me out guide, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever required. Let me know what are the messages which I need to deliver. So seeing good leadership, the source of all. Bottom of the deck I'm having all knowing one. Okay, so we have to know that we all are one. We have to see good. Seeing good is here. Those who see me in all things, and all the things in me are never lost to me, nor I am ever lost to them. So the divine, the God is saying that we have to see good in everything, where whatever we see in our world, whatever we see in our life. Then there is leadership. So you are having a leadership quality. Okay, so whatever a great man does, common men follow, and whatever standards he set by explanatory acts, all the world pursues. So you are having a leadership quality inside of you. You just need to follow your leadership quality and move in a forward direction. The source of all. Okay, so you have to know that for all the people, all the soul who are here on this planet earth or in the universe, the source for all is one. Okay, the source for all is the divine. That's the message here which I am getting. Thank you so much for giving the messages. That's why there is that we have to know, we have to understand that we all are one. We all are one. We are having one. This wants to come. Okay, we all are one, and we all have to understand that we have to see good things in other people. Bottom of the deck I'm having joy. 0303 was the recording reading time. Miracle just wants to come out. Some kind of miracle is going to happen in your life. Okay, there is some kind of miracle which is happening, which is the blessing of the service. Soulmate, beautiful. Bottom of the deck I'm having discovery. You will find yourself. Okay, you will discover your own highest self. Okay, you will find yourself more. There is miracle, service and the soulmate. Beautiful, three cards. Okay, there is miracle, there is service and there is soulmate. That's why there is some kind of miracle which is happening in your life. Maybe there is a soulmate which is coming for you, and whatever service you have provided in your family, maybe to your grandparents or to your anyone in near or dear ones. Okay, any service you have provided, now it's a time to get the blessings. You are getting your blessings for the service which you have provided. Okay, and if you have not done yet, so this is the card where no, you're getting the blessings, you're getting this miracle because you have provided some kind of service in your family. That's why this miracle is happening in your life. Okay, and the soulmate is coming for you. Many of you, there will be a soulmate which is coming for you, and you will find your higher self. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much. Let's see what is the message from everyday miracle. So let's see what is the message which I need to deliver. Give me the messages. which I need to deliver for whosoever is required. Love holds no grievances. Okay. The holiest of the sports on earth is where an accident halted, where an ancient hatred has become a present love. So love holds no grievances. That's the message. And God himself shape away all the tears. Okay. God himself shall wipe away all the tears. You do not have to walk alone. God, angels hover near you and all about. His love surrounds you, and because of this, be sure that I, Jesus, will never leave you comfortless. Okay, the divine will never leave you comfortless. Love holds no grievances, and God himself shall wipe all away all the tears which you are having right now in your life. Thank you so much. Beautiful, very beautiful message. Let's add some messages from the God Goddess deck. Okay, 0609 was the recording reading time. Let's see one card from this. Give me the message which I need to deliver. I got two. Okay, Mohini Murti and Durga Devi, the divine enchanters. Okay, assuming the form of young woman and thus bewildering the demons, the Lord distributed the nectar produced from the churning of the ocean of the milk to his devotees, the God. Unto that Lord who always fulfill the desire of his devotees, I offer my respect. Taste the nectar of immortality, ability to not overcome by sexual guile, perception to see through tricksters and cheats, knowledge of when it is appropriate to give preferential treatment. Beautiful message is here. There is Durga Devi, goddess of material energy. This is a goddess of material energy. I bow down again and again to the goddess who is manifest in all creatures as strength and power. So she is the goddess who gives you strength and power. She will give you the blessings of personal empowerment, development of spiritual forces, suppression of negative psychic influences, and destruction of ignorance. Okay, beautiful and very strong message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. So these were the messages from this deck. Let's add some message from Super Attractor. Okay, let's add one or two message. Give me the message which I need to deliver for whosoever it is required. What are the messages for whosoever? Give me the message. Two message. I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to joy and love. Very powerful and very beautiful message for you. Okay. Then there is spiritual alignment, puts my manifestation into motion. Okay. And that's true. The more you're getting spiritual aligned with the divine, with yourself, you can create whatever you want to. You can manifest anything. So spiritual alignment puts my manifestation into motion. Beautiful message is here. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one or two messages from the Crazy Sexy Love Notes deck. I love the artwork of this deck. The artwork is very beautiful. So let's see what is the message which I need to deliver. Give me the message. Forgiveness heals. Say you are sorry. Okay, are you carrying any regret? Is there any relationship that needs healing but you just don't know what to say? Give your pride a rest and simply start with I am sorry. Take responsibility and acknowledge your role in the situation. Apologize for them and for you. Then let it go and be very proud of yourself. Making amends is not easy, but it's a huge leap forward on your spiritual path. Bravo. Forgive yourself and the others. Let go of the old story. Release any guilt and blame if you're having. Everyone is doing the best they can. This includes you. Kickstart the healing process by surrendering all the judgment and hurt. Your health and happiness will. Okay, thank you. So you need to forgive and you need to say sorry so that it's for you. Okay, beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add no let's add some messages from Life Loves You. Okay, let's see what is the messages from Life Loves You. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever it is required. Give me the messages. What are the messages? Okay. And I love this deck personally. Also, I love this deck because the messages which are here on this deck is beautiful, magical, I can say that. Very powerful. I see myself through the eyes of love. Look in the mirror and say, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. And keep saying it until you really feel it. And that's the self acceptance and self love. Okay, you have to look into the mirror and say that I love myself as I am. Beautiful message. See, bottom of the deck I'm having, I love and accept myself. So someone is here, there is a specific message here for someone who has to accept, self acceptance is here and self love is here. So beautiful message is here for them. I'm sustained by love. Whatever you do, wherever you go, whoever you are, let yourself be guided by the loving hands of the universe. I give what I want to receive, and that's the law of attraction. Okay, we need to give what we want to receive. When you experience any lack in your life, ask yourself what I am not giving. So, whatever you give, you will receive back. I practice loving kindness towards everyone, including myself. Are you as kind to yourself as you are to others? Finish this thought: one way I could be kinder to myself. Beautiful. I am beautiful and everybody loves me. I am beautiful and everybody loves me. Carry this thought with you today and notice the effect on you and others. Okay. Only love is real. Wherever you are afraid, remember this. Let love bless you, guide you, and inspire you. And that's right, love is the most powerful, in the whole world. Okay, love has very much strong, I can say, feeling. Okay, it is the most important, strongest, powerful thing which you can feel, and love can create magics, I can say that. I say yes to being a better receiver. Okay, when you are willing to receive, a gift appears. So you have to open up, you have to say yourself that I'm saying yes to be a better receiver. Open up yourself so that you can receive the gift. Okay, and whenever you are willing to receive, a gift will appear. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from Law of Attraction cards. Give me the messages. It just want to come. When focusing upon solutions, I feel good. Okay, when focusing upon solution, I feel good. Focusing upon a solution will bring you positive emotion. Focusing upon problem will bring you negative emotion. While the differences are subtle, they are very important. For when you are feeling positive emotion, you are attracting into your experiences that which you want. When you are feeling negative emotion, you are in a process of attracting that which you do not want. So whatever you want, you have to focus on that. Do not focus on problems. Okay, focus on solutions. My every relationship can now feel better. by intending, as you are moving into segment of relationships, to focus upon your points of harmony, to give your great attention not to what you are disagreeing about, but to the things you are agree upon. That is the resolution in all relationships. For when you focus on what you don't like, by the law of attraction you solicit more of what you do not want. So this is a message from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Let's add some affirmations, 1 or 2 affirmations from this affirmation cards, and let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver. Wisdom. With every relationship I gain invaluable wisdom. I'm continuously learning which qualities stimulate, support and inspire me, and which one makes me want to cram a soup spoon in my ear and turn it slowly. In that sense, every failed relationships are actually success. See how wise I sound, and this is my personal experience too. I can tell you from my experience too. If you're having failed relationship, you will become more wisdom than before. Okay, these failed relationship will make you more wise than before. Okay, so wisdom is here. You're becoming more wise than before. Then there is grace. I face disagreements with grace and flow through up and down of my relationship without getting thrown off center. With grace, I'm able to keep my cool, be my best self, and not resort to name calling even when the crappy poo poo face is being a doffy bath monster. Accept with grace whatever is happening around you. Okay, that will not going to affect you. You just have to focus, you have to face these things with grace. Then there is sensuality. Embarrassing sensuality does not necessarily mean you are a middle-aged figure. It simply means you are savoring one of the coolest aspects of being alive. Sensory input. It's time to get descendant and reward yourself with the gifts of your senses. You could drop a wand of cash on champagne and chocolate, or you would tune in and enjoy the incredible gifts around. The taste of an orange, the sounds of the forest, the texture of a corduroy. I do not know your life. The point is, it's time to savor whatever your senses can grab hold on, even if that means you are being sensual gross. Beautiful. So wisdom, grace and sensuality. Beautiful message is here. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Love Yourself. Love Yourself deck wants to say. Okay, let's add 1 or 2 cards from this deck. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Okay. I trust and know that all is well in my world. I trust and know that all is well in my world. Divine right action is guiding me. Every moment of the day, I know that whatever the outcome is, it is perfect for me and everyone concerned. So all is well in your world. You just need to have, trust in the divine, because divine is guiding your life. My day begins and ends with self-love and appreciation. There is someone here specific who is requiring self-love, self-acceptance, who has to know the meaning of self-love. So there is specific message again and again of self-love. I wake up in the morning loving myself, praising myself and telling myself I love being me. So these are the messages which I was having for you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sending you lots of love, light and energy wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon.